On page 12 is the song Rain on the Roof. If you'll notice now, it's introducing a new time signature. It's 4/4 time. This is the most common time signature that most songs are done in. 4 counts in a measure, and the quarter note gets 1 count. You're still going to be sharing middle C again with your thumbs. So I'm going to play this one for you. Your thumbs will share middle C. You got to curve your fingers. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, B, A, G. C, B, A, G. C, D, E, F, E, 2, D, 2. C, B, A, G. C, B, A, G. C, E, F, E, C, 2, C, 2. Rain on the Roof. I'm going to play it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. C, B, A, G. C, B, A, G. C, B, E, F, E, 2, D, 2. C, B, A, G. C, B, A, G. C, B, F, E, C, 2, C, 2. That is Rain on the Roof.